Hey guys, how we doing? Up here in Auckland in the '09 with my favourite mortgage advisor, Dave Windler, who's doing a webinar with us on Wednesday. What are we going to demystify in this webinar?
Oh, look, I think we'll just try and stick to some basics, Steve.
Yep.
Update people on what's going on in the finance market. What's happening with the banks. So they've got some appetite at the moment. Touch on rates.
Yep.
I think rates is such a hot topic at the moment.
Huge.
Very distinct choices that people can make, and it's about looking at the options and which way do you go. And we just had a little chat around what the future might hold, and hopefully scope the landscape out for the people out there who are keen to get going again.
Yeah. We certainly seems to be plenty of money out there, and there's a lot of property on the market. And that 499 rate for 2 years is really getting some people fixing, which is realizing that there's some cash flow there, and they're out there spending it. They're buying houses.
Yeah, 499 is a good rate.
It's great. 7.25 to 25-year average. That's a great rate.
Yeah, and it's really around will it drop a little lower, and
And how to handle that.
Well, everyone's trying to catch the falling knife, so always the case. People may delay it too long, and we certainly encourage our clients to look wider at their options and maybe look after that 499, or maybe go 6 months one more time.
One more time, taking with a variable like that. Awesome. Oh, well, look, we'll be there Wednesday night, 7:30. We've got 500-600 people registered for this one already, so it's going to be pretty exciting. Look forward to seeing you then. Thanks, guys.
See you there.